Do you want to delete all stories on Facebook? You can delete all archived story with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete all archived stories on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Archived stories on Facebook are older stories that you've chosen to save rather than have them disappear after 24 hours. They are stored in your account's archive for later viewing. Deleting all archived stories means permanently removing these saved stories from your Facebook account. To delete all archived stories on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines menu from the top right corner of the screen. If you're using an iPhone, you'll find this menu in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings. Scroll down again and tap on Activity Log. From the Activity Log, tap on your activity across Facebook. From the expanded menu, scroll down and tap on Stories. You'll see more options for stories. Tap on Archived Stories. Here, you'll find all your archived stories. Tap on this checkbox to select all old stories. This will select all of your archived stories. Now, tap the Remove button from the bottom of the screen. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Remove to permanently delete the stories from your Facebook account. Facebook will ask for your password for confirmation. Enter your password and tap Submit to delete all of your Facebook stories. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete all your archived stories on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.